math class, second grade. So today we have a review. It's going to be lesson 150, and it is, basically just reviewing what you have learned before. So let's do some work here on the board. We have blanks here, and we're going by tens. So before 843 or 483 would be 473, and then we have 493. So before 291 is 281, and then we have 301. Before 634 is 624, and we have 644. So since we're going by tens, then we look in the tens place and we go the number higher than that or lower than that if you're here. If it's before this number, it's lower than this number. This number's in the tens. And if it's higher than this, then this will change higher than this number. Okay, let's solve these problems here. So we have 9 minus 8 is 1. 4 minus 7, 4 is less than 7, so we'll need to borrow. So put a 1 beside the 4, cross out the 0, put a 9 on top, cross out the 3 right away, put a 2 on top. 14 minus 7 is 7, 9 minus 6 is 3, 2 minus nothing is 2, so our answer is $23.71. Watch your signs. Here's a plus sign now, so we'll add. 8 plus 9 is 17. 1 plus 7 is 8 plus 8 is 16. 1 plus 8 is 9 plus 9 is 18. 1 plus 5 is 6 plus 9 is 15. And you need your decimal point and your dollar sign in there. And your answer is $158.67. Okay, let's do this one now. And these ones, this one we might be borrowing from the 10,000s place. We might be borrowing from the 10,000s or the thousands place in these two. So 8 minus 8 is 0. 7 minus 1 is 6. 1 minus 5. So we can't go 1 minus 5, so we need to borrow. Put a 1 beside the 1. Cross out the 2 and put the 3 and put a 2 on top. 11 minus 5 is 6. 2 minus 9, well 2 is less than 9, so we'll need to borrow again. So we put a 1 there and cross out the 1 and put a 0 on top. 12 minus 9 is 3. So our answer is 3,660. And then for this problem, we have 5 minus 8. Well, 5 is less than 8. So we can't do that. We need to borrow. Put a 1 beside the 5, cross out the 2, and put a 1 on top. 15 minus 8 is 7. 1 minus 7. 1 is less than 7, so we'll need to borrow again. 11 minus 7 is 4. So now we have 0 minus 9. Well, 0 is less again than 9, so we'll need to borrow again. So we'll put a 1 here and cross out the 6 and put a 5 on top. Now we have 10 minus 9 is 1, and 5 minus 2 is 3. So our answer is 3,147. Okay, here we have numbers to write again. Words to write for the numbers. So we have 20 here, and 20 is written 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. And then we have 30, and 30 is spelled T-H-I-R-T-Y, and 40 is spelled 4, and then T-Y, F-O-U-R-T-Y, and then we have 50, so that would be spelled F-I-F-T-Y. 60 is X-S-I-X-T-Y, 60. And then we have 70 is S-E-V-E-N-T-Y, just like a 7 and then T-Y at the end. And then 80 is you write the word 8 and put a Y on the end, 80. 90 is spelled N-I-N-E-T-Y. And 100 is just written out with a 1, and then the word 1, and then 100, like that. Okay, so those are your numbers. You're getting higher up there, and yeah. Backing up to 40, something looks a little bit wrong with that. Do you know what would be wrong with that? We put one letter too much in that word. Well, you're not supposed to put the U in that word. It's only supposed to be written like this. Okay, so 40, when you write 40, remember, don't put your U in there. It's only supposed to have an O between the F and the R. All right, let's think about money here now. So we have two $10 bills, which would be, we're going by tens for $10 bills, so 10, 20, and then two $5 bills, so that would be 25, 30. $30, and let's see, how many ones do we need here? Let's put down 3 $1 bills. So we have 3 $1 bills. So 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, $32. $32.75 is 25, 50, 75, and then 4 nickels. You go by fives for nickels. So 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 2 pennies, 96, 97. So $32.97. Let's check just to make sure we're right. So 2 tens is 20, 2 fives is 30, 31, 32, 33. Oh, must be we got a little bit messed up there. Well, it's good we went back and did that again second grade. So $33, let's change that to $33. And 3/4 is 25, 50, 75, 7, and then 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97. So $33.97. Here we have 8 tens. So 8 tens would be tens. $10 bills go by tens. So we have 8 tens. So you have up to $80. So we have $80 here. And then we have 1/4, which is 25 cents. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. So 52 cents. $80.52. Let's check it just to make sure. So $80 and 1/4 is 25 cents. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. So 52 cents is right. $80.52. Okay, let's look over here on the reading problem now. Okay, so we have Lee bought 35 boxes of paper. Now he has 23 boxes of paper left. How many boxes did he use? Okay, so let's underline, first of all, our numbers and our key and our words. 35 boxes and 23 boxes and left and boxes and use. Okay, so if he used up something, he had paper and he used it up, so we want to find out how much he used, so we would subtract, right? Because he used it up. So 35 minus 23. 5 minus 3 is 2, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So 12 is your answer, so 35 minus 23 equals 12. Okay, so he has 12 boxes of paper left. Okay, let's review the clock up here a little bit again. So now it is 10:05, so we'll write down 10. I'm thinking money again. So now we're thinking on a clock, so 10:05. So you always give the shorthand something first and then the longhand. So 10:05 is your answer. Okay, so now it is 10:35. That's how you write 10:35. Now it is not quite, it's still not quite 11 o'clock, so we're going to have to write down, keep it at the 10 because it's not quite 11 o'clock yet. So we say it's 10:45. So this is how you write 10:45, like that. Or another way to say that would be 10:15. Okay, yeah, I think we covered your lesson for today. It's just a review, so you've learned everything before in this, and yeah, so you can do your speed drill and also your worksheet, which I wrote down on your worksheet what you will be doing. It's like 2 sides of boxes, and so you'll be counting by a certain way. Okay, remember also to study your flashcards. Keep on practicing those, and so you don't forget your facts next year. All right, have a good afternoon.